Connect Homes is a pioneer in modular construction. We don't just build homes, we transform the building process using cutting-edge technology. This demo version of the configurator allows you to visualize your future home, explore facade options, module placement, and floor plans. In the end, you'll be able to take a virtual walk through the house and get a real feel for the space inside. This three-module home offers an open concept flow from the kitchen to the dining room and living room. The Connect 3 can be an ideal solution for a small family's retreat, even on a small plot. It can also be perfect for those who prefer a single-story home. The space around the house can be enhanced with beautiful decking and modern outdoor furniture. Our modular technology allows us to create any layout, taking your spatial needs into account. Our most popular two-story model is perfect for a young family with room to grow. Despite having two stories, you still have access to large windows, letting you enjoy the sunset. Using the configurator, you can understand how the sun will shine into your windows in the morning and evening. If you need additional space to observe nature from above, you can add two more modules. Modern colors and coatings are available for you, which won't fade over time, ensuring your house looks modern for years to come. You can choose a color just like your Tesla. Our configurator allows you to build your home, select the facade and layout, and choose the finishes. You can walk through the house to evaluate the interior space. You can take screenshots of the house and its interior and make a decision about purchasing your dream home.